Our January 2021 Gin of the Month box has landed, and it's bursting with wintry delights inspired by the snowy fells of the Lake District. Let's find out what's in the box. We'll start with our January 2021 Gin of the Month, Pennington's Lakeland Moon Snowfell Gin, with botanicals such as fennel, coriander, and an array of citrus peels. The star of this special edition gin is surely the Cumbrian juniper berries, which are harvested under a full moon as per ancient tradition. Each month we send you everything you need for a perfect G&T. This month we've paired our Pennington's Lakeland Moon Snowfell Gin with 12 Below pear and cardamom tonic for a fruity and seasonal tipple. To top off this month's perfect G&T, we've included apple and cinnamon garnish. Our cocktail of the month is a Lady of the Lakes, featuring our Lady of the Lakes cocktail syrup and Esprala apple and red plum. Delicious. I need to save some for my cocktail. Our distillers this month are quite clever and also have a range of liqueurs available. We've included Pennington's Bakewell Gin Liqueur in this month's box for you to sample. You're in for a treat with this. You can find the full-size bottle of the Bakewell Gin Liqueur along with other delicious flavors on our online shop, craftginclub.co.uk. In this month's box, you'll also find the crisp and refreshing Pura Soda, cucumber, and lime. You can find some delicious cocktails made with this low-sugar soda in this month's Gin magazine. You'll also find 12 Below rhubarb and ginger tonic. Now for the snacks. Ollie's salted original pretzel thins are perfect for snacking whilst sipping. I've also sent you a Swiss chocolate bar this month. This is Rhythm 108 Sweet and Salty Almond. Oh, that is so good. We've also included a bag of boundless nuts and seeds, cayenne and rosemary. That's got just the right amount of spice. And I taste some maple in there too. Last but never least, we've also included a bag of Doisy and Dom's D&Ds or Ballers. First time!